Arthritis can be debilitating. If you are used to being active, dealing with chronic inflammation, pain, and stiffness in your fingers, hands, knees, elbows, hips, jaw, or essentially any other joint in your body, can stop you in your tracks. It can feel like life is always on hold. And depending on how severely the arthritis has affected your joints, it can be chronic and extremely painful, or only mild and manageable pain at times. While there are several different approaches to treating arthritis, most include pain medication for the inflammation, a lot of rest and constant physical therapy. Sometimes, though, despite all of this, the pain can become so excruciating you would try just about anything to make it stop. Well, nature may have just the answer: apple cider vinegar. As the name suggests, this effervescent, tart vinegar is made from fermented apples. It has actually been recognized as the most effective natural remedy for arthritis pain for thousands of years. How does apple cider vinegar, ACV, relieve arthritis pain? ACV is full of specific enzymes and acids that stimulate digestion so your body can absorb the essential minerals and nutrients required for healthy joints. When your body is depleted in minerals, it can aggravate your joint pain. ACV is high in calcium, magnesium, potassium and phosphorus, all the necessary minerals for optimal joint health. The levels of magnesium in ACV are necessary in order for your bones to absorb the calcium that is needed for bone strength. ACV is rich in antioxidants, which prevent free radical damage that leads to degenerative tissue damage. ACV can help relieve your pain and stiffness by dissolving the built-up acid crystals in your joints. ACV contains pectin, acetic acid, and malic acid, which help absorb toxins and flush them out of your body, thereby reducing any metabolic waste stored in your connective tissues. ACV helps alkalinize your body, which helps alleviate inflammation. Easy ACV recipes for arthritis pain. Getting used to the taste of ACV might be your first hurdle. Some people like it, but it can be off-putting for many. The best way to start drinking ACV is slowly, only a few teaspoons at a time. It should also be taken daily if you hope to see significant results. There are several recipes you can use, or as you get used to the taste of ACV, you can make your own recipes. 1. Apple cider vinegar and honey. Mix 1-3 teaspoons ACV with 8 ounces water. Lukewarm is usually best. Add honey to taste. Use pure Monaco honey if you can, as it has the most therapeutic benefits. Drink 3 times daily, preferably before meals. 2. Apple cider vinegar and cherry juice. Mix 1 teaspoon ACV into a 6-ounce glass of cherry juice. Drink 2 times daily to relieve arthritis pain. 3. Apple cider vinegar and peppermint tea tonic. Prepare 10 ounces. Glass of peppermint tea. Mix in 1 tablespoon ACV. Add 1 teaspoon honey. Add 1 teaspoon cinnamon. Drink once daily to relieve arthritis pain. Apple cider vinegar also works well topically. Here are some mixtures you can try for arthritis pain and stiffness. 4. Apple cider vinegar soak. An ACV soak can be very helpful, especially if you have painful feet joints. Mix 1 cup ACV into 6 cups warm water. Slowly submerge your painful joints in the bath and soak for at least 30 minutes. You can use this soak as often as you need for pain. 5. Apple cider vinegar bath. For painful hips and other joints such as your knees, an ACV bath may be beneficial as it will help relax your entire body. Run a hot bath and add 1-2 cups ACV. Soak in the mixture for at least 30-35 minutes as you gently massage your entire body. Start with your feet and work your way up to your neck. After your bath you can do another dry massage. Do this regularly to alleviate and prevent pain. For the best results, you should both drink ACV and use external applications. Always use organic, raw, unpasteurized and unfiltered apple cider vinegar that contains the mother strands of proteins, enzymes and friendly bacteria that result during the fermenting process. And always consult your health practitioner to assure that ACF will not interact with any medications you are taking.